Hello, I'm Jackson Biconi. The date is April 6th, 2025. I am working on my PLCW engineering capstone project for St. Paul School. It is a voice control add-on for Fusion 360, which is a CAD or 3D modeling software. It uses Talon Voice for speech recognition and macros, as well as the Fusion 360 API to activate functions. Here's a quick demo. Talon Wake. Cubic. View top. View bottom. View front left top. Extrude cap 5 centimeters. View front top. Offset bat 0.5 centimeters. Edges. Fillet drum 1 centimeter. Undo. Third. Present. Talon sleep.